Welcome. If you're using Telegram on your PC and want to organize your groups into folders, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps to keep your chats tidy and easy to access. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Look for the folder you want to edit on the left-hand sidebar. Right-click on the folder name. This will open a menu with several options. From here, select Edit Folder to start customizing. A new window will pop up, giving you control over which chats appear in this folder. You'll see a button labeled Add Chats. Click it to expand your selection. Now, choose groups from the list of chat types. This ensures only your group conversations will be included in the folder. Telegram will display all your groups, so you can pick specific ones or add them all at once. Once you've made your selections, hit Save at the bottom of the window. But we're not done yet. After saving your changes, you'll return to the main folder settings. Double-check everything looks correct, then click Save again to finalize the process. That's it. Your folder now contains only the groups you've chosen, making it easier to focus on specific conversations without clutter. Whether it's work projects, hobbies, or communities, this method helps you stay organized. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to add or remove groups later. Telegram's flexibility lets you adapt folders as your needs change. For those managing multiple groups, this feature is a game changer. No more endless scrolling, just a clean, categorized list. And if you're sharing folders with others, they'll only see the groups you've included, keeping things streamlined. So go ahead, give it a try. Organizing your Telegram experience takes just a few clicks, but the impact on your productivity is huge. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.